Before you waste your time on another fake make money online application, make sure to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 10 legit websites that actually pay you daily, not next month, not spending forever, but real platforms people are using right now to earn money online. And the best part is the fact that you actually require zero experience and you can start with just your mobile device. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about real, tested ways to make money online, side hustles and income ideas that actually work online. Today's video is especially important because I've personally seen a whole lot of people fall for fake platforms that never pay. So everything I'm showing you here is based on trusted, widely used websites. So make sure to watch to the very end because the last few websites are actually the highest paying. Let me quickly explain how these daily paying websites actually work so you don't get yourself confused. These platforms usually fall into three categories. We have the micro task websites. These are basically websites where you complete small tasks like clicking, typing, or even testing applications out there. And then we have the second one called the freelancing platforms. You offer simple services and then get paid per job. The final one here is basically the survey or reward sites. You earn by completing offers or watching several content online. First website on the list is Clickworker. This is actually one of the best and popular microtask websites out there. What you basically do on this website are you writing short text, categorizing data, and then completing surveys. And why it's actually good is the fact that it's beginner friendly. It's also very flexible to work with. Now the payment here on this website is actually weekly, and sometimes you actually paid per task completion. Something you need to understand about this website is you want to ensure you're starting with simple tasks to build your rating, and the more rating you get, the more opportunities and the more you actually earn on this website. Moving to the next website on the list is Sproutgigs. This is one of the easiest platforms for beginners specifically. Tasks in this particular website includes you signing up on websites, watching videos, posting comments, and a whole lot of other activities. And why this particular website stands out is the fact that the tasks here are very simple and you can even start earning immediately. You need to also understand that low per task but adds up quickly. The amount of money you earn here in this site are actually little, but then they add up very quickly. Now moving to the third on the list is the website called Fiverr. This is actually a very popular freelancing website out there where a whole lot of people complete several services and get paid for the completion. This website, there are a whole lot of things you can actually do, starting with typing services, graphic design, social media posting. Any type of service you can think of can actually be done here on this website. Even if you have no skill, you can actually start with simple gigs like how to type documents or even converting documents from one format to another format, and you actually get paid for doing these particular activities. Make sure to start with low prices, especially if you're a beginner, to get your first clients and your first reviews. Now moving to the fourth website on this particular list is what I call UserTesting. This is one of the highest paying platforms on this list in today's video. What you basically do on this particular platform is you test websites, you record your screen, and you share your opinion on several websites out there. Your payment is around $10 per test depending on the actual activity you're carrying out. Now moving to the fifth on the list is Remote Tasks. This is one of the best platforms out there for training AI systems. That's basically what they focus on. In this particular website, all you're doing is you're labeling images, you're also categorizing data. Basically you trying to train AI models. And why it's actually good is the fact that you don't need advanced skills, and also the work is actually consistent. You have a whole lot of offers to actually complete, making it very easy for you to earn more and get paid on time. Now moving to the sixth on the list is Microworkers. This is actually a simple platform for quick tasks. It's more like a micro task where you complete several easy tasks and get paid. On this particular website, all you're doing is you're testing applications, you're engaging social medias, people's posts, you're dropping out comments, liking videos, and a whole lot of more activities. It's actually best for quick and small daily earnings. Moving to the seventh on the list is ySense. ySense is basically a survey platform. You earn by completing surveys, you watch advertisements, and also you refer people. That's basically how you get paid on this particular website. And then moving on to the 8th, which is one of the best as well on this particular list, is TimeBucks. It's a mixture of every single thing in terms of micro tasks, starting with you watching videos online, you clicking on advertisements, completing offers, and you get paid. The tip for this particular website is the fact that you need to combine a whole lot of multiple tasks for higher earnings. And then moving to the 9th in today's list is what I call the Rapidworkers website. This is actually another lovely website that involves you completing micro tasks. Tasks such as following social media pages, signing up, and then you get paid. And you need to understand, like I made mention of the fact that on these particular micro tasks, you want to ensure you're completing several multiple available offers so you can actually earn more. And the final in today's particular video is Picoworkers. This is more like Rapidworkers, but the best part of this particular website is the fact that tasks are always available, and this is one thing you need to look out for in terms of micro task websites. And another best part is the fact that the payment is also very fast. Now let me be very real with you guys. You're not going to make thousands overnight using this website, but if you're actually very consistent, you focus on 2 to 3 platforms I made mention in this video, and you also build your profile very well, then you can actually start making daily income, especially as a beginner. And here's what I always recommend to my students: start with Sproutgigs for fast cash, Clickworkers for consistency, and then Fiverr for long-term income. This combination gives you quick money, stable income, and also growth potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because I'm posting more legit ways to make money online every single day. And if you want, I can show you even better methods that can make you more than this website. And I will see you guys in our next highly informative video.